Tommy at work, my viewer. It's like plumbing and construction together. One love from Jamaica, we say.
One love,
Yeah,
one love, all the while, one love.
Yes, sir.
Jamaica talent there.
Yeah.
Don't play with me. Full of talent down here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, impossible turn possible.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Welcome to Koja Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Featuring Tommy. Even put him up on YouTube so the world can see him, you know, see what it's about. Can do, you know, in the country of Jamaica, various type of thing the man can do. What are some of the things that you can do in the trade works, Tommy?
Steel work, lay block, flash wall, render, pebble dash ceiling, render ceiling, put on any roof, any hip and valley roof, any flat, any roof. Yeah.
Alright, sound good. What about tile?
Tiling, yeah man, good pan tiling too.
Okay.
Perfect. After you can lay block, you're supposed to can lay tile. Same procedure, same treatment. The tile are easier and the block cost lighter.
Nice, nice. Please give the video a like. You can leave a comment or some comments on the video. Big up Tommy every time. Big up Koja Country Lifestyle. I say thanks everyone for watching this short video, you know, featuring the man called Tommy, tradesman. We have to bust out all the young tradesmen, you know, so the world can see him, expose him more to the world, you know, the universe. Big up America, big up Jamaica, big up Africa, big up Australia, Canada, UK, Asia, the entire universe. One love from Jamaica.